Hey guys, we're going to do a bit about paragraph 4.4 calculating using similarity. And with calculations using similarity, it's about two or three things. Calculating a known length in a similar figure and calculating the parameter A. You see I use the correct word, and the area of a similar figure. What is the first thing? Well, here we have a poster of Cancellara, which I enlarged. So B is an enlargement of A, so A is the original. And you can see the original is 2 by 3, and this side is 6. And what is this side? That is basically calculating the length in a similar figure. And the other thing, if you know the parameter over here, and how can you then quickly calculate the parameter of the other figure? And the last thing, if you know the area of the first figure, can you quickly calculate the area of the other figure? Well, the first thing, calculating the known length in a similar figure, we have done last Friday during class on the mini whiteboard, and you should have practiced that by doing that at home. The other thing, calculating the parameter and the area, is very simple. If you know the parameter of 1, then you multiply that number by the scale factor, and then you have the parameter of the other. And the area, if you know the area of the original, and if you then need to calculate the area of the enlargement, then you first need to square the scale factor, and then you multiply the scale factor by the original area, and you get a new area. So how does it work over here? We have is Cancellara. And what is the parameter over here? The parameter is 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 is 10. So over here the parameter is 10. What is the area? It's a rectangle, so side length by height, so 2 multiplied by 3, so the area is 6. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Well, if we need to calculate the parameter over here, we simply need to get the scale factor. Well, as you know, the original multiplied by the scale factor is a new one, or the scale factor is the new divided by the original, and that's 2, and this times is twice as big. And so that means that a parameter is also twice as big. It's 10 multiplied by 2 is 20. Because the scale factor is 2, we need to multiply the parameter with 2 to get a new parameter, the parameter of the enlargement. The area. For the area, we need to square the scale factor. Oh, it's 6, sorry, not 6. So 6 multiplied by 2 squared is equal to 24. Now, this is how it works. I would like you to calculate the parameter and the scale factor. So that's the question. If this number is not given, and this number is 5. What is then the parameter of the enlargement, and what is the area of the enlargement? Hey, see you in class. See you then. Bye.